August 8th, Decker Lake, 5:45. Got one other kayaker here, a couple bank fishermen. Alright, first bite, chatterbait right at the boat. Hit it twice and still missed it. Got him at the boat. Got him right there. I thought I could boat flip him. Off his jump. Hey, buddy. I'm gonna try a board today. We have one up here somewhere. Right there it is. 17 on the nose. Thanks, buddy. 17. No more bites on the chatter. It's been 5 minutes since I caught that last fish. Now I'm throwing an underspin on the grass line. Just lost one. Don't know why. Think maybe the hook set sucked. Alright, a little check-in. It is 6:35. I've been fishing about an hour. 4 bites. That was the first bite on top water. That was a frog. And I set the hook too early. The others were chatter, which the fish just missed it twice. And 1 for 2 on the underspin. So that's my 4 bites in an hour. 5 minutes ago I gave an update, and I've had 3 frog bites since, so I used the underspin as a follow-up and just lost another one. Here's another hit. Got him that time. I had to let him soak on it. Little 15. Nice fish. Nice fish, yeah. Had to let you soak on that a little bit, huh? Here. Soft biting. I just threw my board in the water. Shouldn't be all fancy and flip it. Oh, 15 on the nose. Thanks, Mr. Fish. That's 2 in the boat. That's that one. Yeah, buddy. Healthy fish. Another 15. Out. Oh, 16. Somersault. Good job, buddy. Well, I lost my grip on the reel. Come on. Grab that one. Oh, 16 again. $17? Actually, I had 17 earlier, so 17 and a quarter. That was my first fish. All right, 17 and a quarter. Thanks, girl. So 2 17s, I don't even know. Some 15, a 15, a 16, 2 15s to 16, 2 17s. So that's a limit, right? Is that what I got? GoPro, stop recording. Why can I not hang on to the... I got the net underneath her and the hook came out. Oh, I can't stand myself. That's a better fish. Pushing 18 on that one. The bite's slow, but that's a good fish. That's probably gonna be my best of the day. Woo, girl. Oh, 19 and a half. Beauty. $19 and a half. Beautiful fish. Thanks, girl. Number 6. Number 6, right here at the boat. On the worm. An upgrade. Ooh, doggy. The bite slowed down, but that's a quality fish. That's quality H2O. Come on, man. Oh, yeah. She got free. She got free. Come on, get up there. Too much stuff going on in town. You're a little 15, but you feisty. You're a feisty girl. Oh, hook just came out. Look at that. Wah, wah. You are not an upgrade, are you? No coal, no coal. Let's see. Got a lot on here. Move that. I'll move that later. What you got? You gonna call? You're a little bit of a call. Yeah, you're 16. It's a 1-inch call. Thank you, girl. Thank you. 16, 1-inch call. Away you go. Here we go, fish on. Bass, not a striper. Oh, you swallowed that. Boy, you wanted that, didn't you? There's one, got another one. Oh yeah, oh. Don't hit my sandwich. Oh, did I lose him? No, I still got him. Or if that's a fluke. Hey, buddy. Yep, 15 on the nose. No upgrade. Well, that was cool. He nailed it. I split my brush hog. He ripped my brush hog. So I'm back in the tire cove. I got one on Carolina rig at the mouth. I'm just going to show you this stump up there that used to be underwater. I just got hit at the boat too on the underspin. Ladybird Lake, 6 a.m. August 9th. Just missed a frog. Had to duck. How soft the bite is. That was a brand new 3.8 paddle tail. Didn't feel the bite, just the weight of the line. Look at that. Well, I took the camera down to get under the boardwalk, but Texas rig on the backside, that was a 16-inch bass right there. Thank you, Ladybird. It is almost 8 a.m. Got one more fish. It's like 14 or maybe 15. Call it in the middle, 14 and a half. Again, flipping the brush piles under the boardwalk. But now I've changed and I'm facing west again. So there's two kayaks fishing the same boardwalk behind me, this bass boat, and one in front of me. So it already got crowded. So I need to figure out somewhere else to fish. Right now I'm dragging off the edge of the boardwalk. There's this huge ledge right here between fishing piers 1 and 2. I'm in 22 feet, and right over there it's 12, so it's a great 10-foot ledge. It's on the graph right there. Happened with the swimming worm, huh? Okay. Little guy. Can we repeat that? I got 1.5 ounces tungsten and punching. I'm not getting any bites punching. Wasn't getting any bites on a ribbon tail. Nothing on a paddle tail. Nice. I was wondering if they didn't like the morning dawn. Another 15. Bye, buddy. Thank you.